Order filled.
I'm in. Set your stops.
Order working.
Ah, fucking shit. They fucking wicked us. We're down, but not out. Don't let one loss break you. Round 2 here.
Order filled.
I'm adding.
Double down, never down.
That's the GP, baby.
I fucking called it.
That's profit.
Golden fucking pocket.
Locked in profit. No risk, no Rari.
Hey everybody, how we all doing today? How's everybody doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are all doing good today. Hope you guys are all doing good today. What was the cam issue? So the cam issue was actually that I didn't have the lens fully tightened. Shout out Camera Cam for the help. I can't believe that because I guess it's when I'm moving the camera around it got a little bit loose. I guess that's the only thing I can think of. But anyway, yep, we're all good. Appreciate it. I know, man. I'm just a couple of minutes late. For some reason, the baby let us sleep today. I woke up literally at 9. Insane. Right? Actually getting sleep. Crazy. Lefty. Good morning, my friend. Ellie Cash, going to be following the trades today. Going to hold and follow exactly what I do. I'll be okay with drawdown. I'll trust the process. Wow. Guys, you heard it here first. All right, Ellie. We appreciate you switching your tune. I'm not going to be doing too much though today, Ellie. I don't know the read exact. You picked the day before FOMC, so you know it's a slow day. I'm actually only going to be doing micros probably today. Haven't decided yet. But let's take a look. Let's take a look at the plan real quick, shall we? Let's take a look at our plan for today. Give me 2 seconds here. Just want to set something up. Edit to 500. There we go. All right. All right, let's take a look at the plan today, guys. Window capture. Alright guys, so here we go. Do you guys think I should still record these? Should I still be recording these plans and uploading them? Do you think it's helpful to people? Probably, right? Probably not, probably is, but you guys are here, so whatever. I think it's good to have. I gotta fix the recordings. I know some of you guys are trying to replay some of these videos. I have to fix my VODs so that the music doesn't get recorded to the live. So for instance, you'll hear it live, but when it goes to YouTube, there's no music. That way I don't get copyrighted. I keep forgetting to fix it. I'm gonna fix it right after this. So today should be the last stream that you can't watch live. If that makes sense. So let's do it. All right, so plan for the day, guys. We have a pretty much big dip here, right? We had a big sell-off on the market. Let me turn off the music for a second. Big dip on the market here because of the Bank of Japan. They raised rates for the first time in 17 years, okay? Now that it's a big sign because market's kind of been following BOJ a bit for a while in terms of, you know, when to cut or when to raise rates. So they just raised their rates, which is a little bit of a sign that Powell might want to also raise rates, right? So it puts a little bit of pressure on our Fed in addition to, you know, all the other factors that we have going on, okay? So I expect there to be no change tomorrow anyway, which should be bullish, but who knows? We'll see what happens, right? So anyway, levels we're watching right now, we are watching this level here where we are at right now. This is where we have held all night last night, as well as the pre-market pump. This was a London pump and then a sell-off after. All right, so we're at the opposite end here, so we could get a back test. This is where I would take a possible short. Maybe I'll even take one now when we switch back for micros. But today's probably going to be sized down today, guys, so you can take, if I'm trading micros, you can do exactly as I do. I'm not really going to be looking to make too much at all today, just because it's the day before interest rates, okay? And just to let you guys know, you know, what that looks like. Again, tomorrow at 2 p.m., the Fed is making their interest rate decision, you know, whether they're going to pause, hike, or cut, which most likely they're just going to keep flat, okay? So we'll see what happens. But this is the only level pretty much I'm watching today, guys. You know, here, then we have a bunch of chop up here. So, you know, if we break up here, we could, you know, possibly have a move, I guess, back up to 50 or so. Otherwise, downside levels, excuse me, are down here. You know, we have a big volume shelf here, which would pretty much send us down here. So, but really the only one I like is right here. The pre-market, expect some chop in this I expect chop between this line and this line, unless one of the other stocks decides to make a bigger move. We have like Nvidia, which had their AI event, just went back to Friday's lows. You know, it's holding these lows for the whole time pretty much. It's 865 or so level, so not too much. Again, today's pretty boring for me. I don't really expect much from it. So we'll take it easy today. All right, guys, that's it. Pretty basic. You know, you could even take off today if you wanted, but we'll see what we can get. We will see what we can get. So let's mark out those levels that we had. So we have this level here, which is 150. So 150, I said 203. So let's put this one up here. And then I also said 71. And then I also said 18,000, which I don't think will even stay on until. So that's the only levels today, guys. Oh, I have 18,200. Oh yeah, I already put it. Okay. That's it, guys. So for right now, again, we are getting that rejection off that level there, right about 50. Ah, Blake, you held those Mara calls, man. They were up like over 100%. You should have taken a trim. It's all right. Just as quick as she falls, she rises. We'll see what happens. I'm in a big share position around $18, so I don't mind holding through some pain. Thinking about switching to micros. I did do a $50 trade last night, guys. Guys, you want to see something? Look at this. You want to see something crazy last night? Where is it? Look at this, guys. Fuck me, am I right? I took this and I raised my stop loss after it started to pump a little bit. Oh my god, are you kidding me right meow? That was a fucking 20-point move right there. Overnight, that's a pretty good move. Whatever. It happens. It happens. Alright, so we got the open coming here in a second. We got 3 minutes. Where the fuck am I? Where am I right now? Oh, I was like, what the fuck? Are you only taking 3 micros as well? Yeah, I haven't decided exactly yet. Maybe I'll do one at, you know what? I gotta put these lines on the other chart then. Alright, so, alright, yeah, let's do micros today, like I said. We're gonna do micros, like I said, today. So let me put these lines back on my chart. I'm gonna switch to micros. If I'm gonna do 3 micros at a time, and I'm on 10, that means I need to do 30. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this too. Where's the banner? I am in MNQ and I'm going to be doing everything I'm doing right now. I'm going to be doing 3 at a time per order. Alright, so we have, what did I say, 50? Gotta draw these on the other chart, which is annoying. 203. 203. And I said 71. And then there's another one all the way down at 18K, but I'm not going to draw that one. What is the indicator for the volume on the side of the chart? Well, on here, I believe it's just called histogram. Yeah. But on TradingView, it's called the visible range. It might actually be here on their settings, too. No, it's not. If you mean this one, I'm not sure. I think that's just the orders here. So I do like a short off the open, like I said here, but we'll give it a second. $15 points. See if she pops back up. Might sweep up to, you know, might sweep up to like 56 or so. So let's see what we can get. I gotta pull up everything else. I don't have it up right now. I'm delayed today, guys. I woke up late. Woke up late today. Alright, Nvidia, Google, Amazon, Tesla. I need Microsoft. Alright, I got everything up. Yeah, so we're getting that 50 sell, but it is what it is. Didn't take it. What point to do 30 micros if you can do 3 minis? It's the same thing. I'm on 10 accounts. So this is split between 10 accounts. That means that 3 micros will go to each of my accounts. That is what that means. But also, damn, we should have taken that one fucking at the open. I don't know why I haven't been pulling triggers on some of these open plays, right? I've been on the money on these open plays. I'm just not taking them for the past, what, like 3 days? Two days or so? That first trade is the banger. I don't know why. 50 points so far. Yeah, this looks like the GP here at 100. Why is this doing this weird? Tryna make sure that these niggas don't get one end. I'm inside this I still hate how on here it's opposite. Yep, that was a GP perfectly right there.
Make me cool when I come through, you know you can ride shit. I'm gonna get you so
high you cannot land.
Eyes out my window. Tryna make sure that these niggas don't get one in though. I'm inside this bitch with extendos. No law, no law.
I don't have any news, right? Until just tomorrow, yeah. Nothing today, so.
Like I'm tryna win for. They will got money. I ain't lying. My mom said I did it on upstop film.
Nvidia, a little bit of a pump. Microsoft, a nice pump. Apple dump. Google dump. Amazon pump. Meta dump. Very mixed market, guys. Very mixed market. Beautiful, though. Sell off from that 50 to that GP. Whoever said the GP, that was right. Great golden pocket there. If you don't know what the GP is, just type in on YouTube. Brett Simba GP. Guys, best video you can watch. Brett Simba GP. Brett Simba's secret sauce to buying dips and selling rips. Golden pocket right there. Alright, I'm going to actually take a long here. And I'll add at 28.50 if we get down there. Or I will add if we break up here at 52. Sorry, 53 I have the ad. Sorry, above 52.
I was out on my own in a place that ain't home. Ain't nobody to hold in this town. Stumbling around, always lost, never found how to get myself up off the ground. Oh, but darling,
Trade of 8 looks like it's lagging today, but remember those fills usually do go through. I'm gonna see what we can get here. Trade of 8's lagging today though, guys. So we want to see this 105 to 110 area hold. If we break down there, most likely stop out of this position if we break down this wick here. Nvidia, as soon as we entered there, had a huge pullback on the 1 minute. Had a big inverted candle, so that didn't help our position at all. Meta's still selling off here. Amazon strong. Apple starting to pick up the pace to the upside a little bit, but still red. Microsoft as well starting to pick up a little bit, but Meta, no sign of a green candle. Nvidia, no sign of green again after that reversal right when we entered here. Nvidia got a massive reversal. Remember, it is Nvidia's market, so we'll see. See if we hold this level. Finger on the triggers, though, for potential exits, guys. Remember, we are on MNQ, everybody. We are on MNQZ. We are not on NQ. So Nvidia retesting the open price right here, 867. Just broke down 865 real quick right while I was saying that. So might have to exit this watching NVIDIA here. Trying to watch both screens. Let me move this over here so I can just watch that. I want to see this 100 hold, guys. Sweep below and pop. Otherwise, we were going to sell off here. Get ready. Fingers on the trigger. And I am, if we pop back down to 95, I am out. I'm out. I'm out. Sorry, Ellie Cash. Sorry, Ellie Cash. Yeah, Tradeovate's messed up today, but it doesn't matter. We got the right entries. Everything was fine. There was nothing wrong with the executions. Just as soon as we got in, we had a reversal on NVIDIA. Nothing you can say about it. We entered. What time did we enter? At 9:34. We entered right at 9:33, right before the candle was about to close into 9:34. If you guys take a look here, right? You take a look right here. We entered on this break, right? 9:33. NVIDIA was looking strong. As soon as 9:34 hit, we got an inverted candle here. Sell off. Now it's holding the lows, but yeah, nothing you can do about it. We'll try one more here at the lows. If we see any sign of a 1 minute pop. Otherwise, we will call it a day. I'll take one here. When I say one, I mean three, I guess. And for this one, we'll add back if we get back above that 100. And if we sweep below here, if we get below 75, I'll close. Here, I'll put it at 73. Put the stop at 73 for these guys. Oops. Stop is at 73, and they ran us. Alright, it is what it is. First L day. This will be filled. Keep in mind, guys, if you guys are trading on Tradeovate right now and you're getting these bad fills right now, or it's not filling you right away, it will fill you. It will work. It will work, right? So it'll just work. But anyway, whatever. $50 loss there. Or $80, whatever we had there. Big sells, big sells. I think we're gonna call it here, most likely. I'll wait another 2 minutes. For some reason, they wick it and pop it up here. Otherwise, that'll be it for me. We got that beautiful level to level move. Short here. At the open, GP. I thought they were going to break it here. They didn't. And that went level to level, so unfortunate. Unfortunate. Placing limits on the Dom and they are not executing. They will. They should execute. They should have those executions. I'll try this last one here. We are popping up. Last trade for me here, guys. Last one there. Add above 90.25, and that'll be it. I'm gonna raise the stop on this to 66. I'm gonna put it at 66. This is my last trade, so it's $30 risk here, and then that's it. So it'll be a 520 loss on the day. Made a nice 900 something yesterday. Had some great gains the previous days last week. We lose, we lose. All right, well, I lost that. All right, guys, that's it. L's today, man. L's today, and we did it live, and I'm calling it. That's it. We'll come back tomorrow for FOMC. If you guys want to do any Q&A or anything, I'm glad to do that. But hey. Jamil, that was a clear supply play. What made you get in on a buy? It was the retest here. So first test, so we had a rejection here, and then this is what I wanted to short. Didn't short that. We popped back up. I showed you why I entered here. NVIDIA was popping up, and as soon as we entered, NVIDIA took a dump. So that was it. How long have you been trading? 7 years. You think tomorrow it's gonna go up or down? Don't know shit about fuck. Not sure. No idea. No idea. Meta, huge sell-off. Tesla sell-off. Everything's selling off now. Everything big sell-off. Is there a video of you changing the amount of trades 1 versus 3? Your mouse moves fast on the right side of the screen. Need to learn more. Is there a video on you changing the amount of trades 1 versus 3? I don't know what you mean. Alright, my question is, how do you look at a day like today where you took a loss of 520 and shake back from it? Are you not here the other days? We make like 500, 1,000 plus a day. Just one loss. If you're making 20 bucks every day, and you know, you make 20 bucks Monday, you make 30 bucks Tuesday, you make 20 bucks Wednesday. If you lose 20 bucks on Thursday, you don't really give a fuck. It's you're gonna lose. You lose. I'll tell you what. If I lost $2,000 today, I'd be a little upset. I'd be upset. 2,000. That's too much. If you can't handle, there you go. Adrian said it. If you can't handle the losses, you can't trade. You got to trade with what you can handle. Can you send your screen Trade of 8 template? It's in the description below. Go to the Trade of 8 setup. It is in the description of that video. Can you crop the window a bit so half the chart time frame isn't cut off? Half the chart time frame. What do you mean? The whole chart's here. This is exactly what I see. This is the entire chart that I see. What do you mean? Like I can see it, but part of it is cut off? I don't know what you're talking about. Everything's here. This is exactly what I see. Up top where the time frame is displayed. Here? What do you mean? Above ASX? Where's ASX? I don't even see that. What's ASX? One contract versus 3 or 10. 18,000. You want to see above here? Sure. What? There's nothing above there, man. There. What do you mean? Oh, you want to see this? You want to see like what time frame I'm on? Like this is 1 minute? Is that what you mean? I get what you're saying. Okay, I gotta get rid of these. Makes sense. Got it. Let me ask you this. What triggered in your mind that you were only willing to risk 520 in losses today? That's pretty much, I told you, I'm sizing down today because it's FOMC. That was a bit, I don't come in here saying I'm looking to only lose or make this much for the most part. I just trade the levels. So I knew today was a wide range. So if I'm using micros, I can survive that range better. If we used minis today, if we were using NQ today, I would have been down like 3 bands. So Tradevate gave me a wrong fill like it did for you the other day. Who did you complain to about when it happened? Don't even worry about it. It doesn't work. It is what it is. Apparently it's times of volatility. Actually, you probably can complain. You probably could complain today because there is no news. So, I don't know. You can send it into Tradevate. Gurjit, no problem. Gurjit, you were a hater yesterday, man. But I appreciate you coming with the questions today. Guys, I really want to play this, but I don't. I don't want to overtrade here. But Amazon's popping up hard. Meta found a bottom. Nvidia possibly popping. Microsoft's popping. Guys, can I take one more? Bear flag breakout here is potentially happening. Really want to. All right, I'm gonna seriously, this will be the last one here. Last one. I just like this level holding. This 50 to 70 level. I really like it holding. This will be the last one, I promise. And if I get above 86, we'll add. And we're going to risk $30 to have an even amount of $5.50 for a loss for today. That is it. Nvidia is getting a nice pop up here. Amazon, Meta, Tesla's still selling off. Do you think it is safe to buy the dip on other plays like Tesla before FOMC tomorrow or no? If you don't mind gambling it, sure. It's up to you, my friend. So again, guys, this is a good play, right? We're risking 30 bucks. You know, if we can get that fill back to 120 or so, we'll be looking at 288 bucks. So we're have a 10x, right? 10 to 1 R to R. You know, if we can get back to this 120 level, we have the add at 86 here. All right, we have the add at 86 here, so that will be about 400 bucks or so. If we do get all the way back up there. Most likely we'll trim before though. All right, Microsoft high of day. Nvidia putting in hammers here. Meta popping up. Amazon high of day. Apple popping up. Someone said I'm waiting for 2 tiny 1-minute candles to long. So this is the top of the bear flag. You would like to see it break up here. Alright, so you have this. I don't know why my lines are doing that, but anyway, we have this. Right here you have a little, here's your flag pull down and the bear flag up. So I'm looking for an invalidation of that bear flag. It looks like they are just going to run it down. Alright guys, that's it. 550 on the day. Technically I risked that extra 50 because of this. Because I was already up 50, so basically 500 down for me for the day, 550 if you followed exactly. But all right, guys, tomorrow's FOMC. We'll have a big move in the markets. So tomorrow we will hopefully be looking to make about 2K or so on some nice moves in the market. We just got to snipe these better. Tomorrow we will not be a bitch. Take these longs and shorts that we see at the open like we did here, right? We saw a nice move we didn't take there. GP was there, didn't take it. Thought we would pop up on the double top here. Not sell off. It is what it is. But all right, guys, I hope you have a good one. We got stopped there again, and now they're running. Oh God, I'm about to get it filled on this. Let me cancel that. We got stop filled. Maybe this will run up to 120 if you guys are still in. That's what I would look for to target, 117 or so. But that's it for me. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Graciously taking my L.